We're talking to our Proven Winners pros. And so if you've ever seen that beautiful greenhouse or garden center and it has all these great Proven Winners plants in it, well, guess what? They had a coach, and I've got that coach here with me. Amber, tell me what you do.
Hi, Kelly. How are you? I'm so glad that you're here. So I'm the retail sales manager here at 4-Star Greenhouse. I've been here going on 16 years, and I'm so excited.
So tell me what you do.
So actually, I work with the independent garden centers, actually across the country. You know, we ship quite far from here from 4-Star, and then I'm also involved in all the production planning. So what you see in the independent garden centers, I get to help plan.
Tell me about your background.
So I started out in the greenhouse, and then I was out there between 6 to 9 months, and they asked me to begin these sales trucks, which meant that I filled product up, and I actually went to the independent garden centers and sold to them off the trucks. And after that, I soon began working in the office and started working directly with independents across the country.
There you go. And now you also have your degree in business, right?
I do.
That's fantastic. So tell me a little about what's your favorite annual?
My favorite annual, and you're going to absolutely love it because I don't have a green thumb, is Sedum Lemon Coral.
Oh, I do love that one.
Okay,
I
so
do love that one, yeah.
Yeah, so it makes a great border plant.
Yeah.
It's a great filler, and it has that really nice, vibrant green color. And you can see it from far away, and you can literally plant it and walk away.
Yeah, I do love that one. And also you can kind of grab some of it, throw it in other parts of your garden, and it'll start as well.
Yeah, and the nice thing about it is, you know, we barcode everything here, so we work with independents across the country, and it's, I believe, our #2 grande that we sell.
Gotta love it. What are some of the problems that you see coming up when you're out talking to the retailers?
Definitely is the #1 question that I get is regarding shade. What varieties will last during the shade, and what consumers don't realize is a lot of our varieties will do part sun to full shade. So some of those varieties that are my favorite are the Color Blaze series, which is a coleus. We have a great selection of those that will do great in shade and do great in sun. And another one of my favorite, which is a heat tolerant plant, is the Catalina Gilded Grape. It's a Trinia, and it will do very well in the sun, and it'll do well in the shade, obviously. And hummingbirds absolutely love it.
So now you know why all the Proven Winners retail shops look so great. They have a great coach on their side.